This video will go over how to give feedback about a job. If you experience any issues at a job, there are a few ways you can notify CCSO and get support. If you want to alert CCSO staff to any problems you had on the job or navigating the system, please log into Childcare Matters. On the dashboard, if the job that you experienced an issue at is on your assigned jobs list, you can click it here. Otherwise, go to the Jobs tab and find the job that you had an issue with that you're reporting about. Once you're on the job details page, underneath your name and profile picture is the Report Issue button. Click on that. A pop-up will show up like it just did. In the subject line, please include a short description of the problem. We want to know two things. We want to know whether it is a portal issue. So if it's a portal issue, like you're not getting notifications or the page isn't loading, in the subject line, please put portal issue. If it's a program issue, in the subject line, you should put program issue. In the larger box below, explain the issue using specific examples. So some of those examples I gave earlier, if pages aren't loading, let us know what page isn't loading. If you're not receiving notifications, if you're having any issues accessing the site, let us know there. You can also tell us the specific issue that came up at the program that you need support with. So this could be an issue with a staff member or a health or safety issue that you noticed. Please fill that out as soon as possible. If the problem was with the program or staff, please report the issue here, but also get in touch with your supervisor as soon as possible. If you have any additional questions, please contact us at childcaresubs or at woo.edu. Talk to your supervisor or attend a help desk session with a CCSO staff member. Thank you.